Is it the Frank or the beans?
I don't know. It looks like, I think it's a little bit of both.
Frank some beans! Frank some beans!
What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do Franken beans. Hey guys, I know everybody's had this as a child growing up. It's going to take me back to my childhood. So no matter what you call it, Franken beans, hot dog and beans, weenie and beans, it's all the same. And hey guys, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some Franken beans. So the supporting cast, real simple, real easy ingredients here. I got, of course, I like Nathan's hot dogs. You guys can use whatever you like, but I like Nathan's. You know, you can use any hot dog. I know when I was a child, I didn't know what they were, so they were probably the cheapest hot dogs on the planet. But I like Nathan's. Got a little bit of brown sugar. Got 1 onion cut up. Some Dijon mustard. A little bit of ketchup, not much. And then I'm using some baked beans, some Bush's baked beans. I'm cheating a little bit using them straight out of the can as baked beans. So you can make your own baked beans if you want, but I'm using the canned baked beans from Bush's. So that's all there is. I am going to break out my slim model Steelmadeusa griddle. I'll tell you about that here in just a second when we get over to the griddle. But let's get started with this. So we're over here at the stove. First things first, I'm going to take a little saucepan here. And I'm put my onions in there. Brown my onions off a little bit. I'm gonna get those a little bit translucent here. Just take a few minutes to do that. And once that gets done, then we'll put in our baked beans and season them up. Let me show you what I had to break out here. I had to break out the Steelmadeusa griddle because I like to roast my hot dogs on the griddle and get that char on them. So, but before I do that, I'm going to show you what I like to do with them. I just like to take my hot dogs and I like to score them. It just lets the flavor get down in the hot dogs when I put them on the griddle. Turn them over, score them just a little bit. Now that's not where I'm going to be cutting it, but that's just to get the flavor into the hot dog from the griddle. That's just something I like to use. You definitely don't have to do that. It's just my preference. All right, let's move over to the griddle. Guys, so we're over here at my Steelmadeusa griddle. Now this is the slim model, so I can use it for 2 eyes. And I also have the bigger one. But I like this because it allows me to use half the stove for conventional cooking and half for the Steelmadeusa griddle. Either way, I love it, the big one or the small one. You can pick them up. All you have to do is go to the description on my video, and when you go, when you click on it, it'll take you to their website, and then all you have to do is go there, purchase what you want, put in 5 Big Tone as your product code when you check out, and it'll give you 10% off. Just tell them Big Tone sent you. But hey guys, let's put these hot dogs on. Just throw them right on the griddle like that. Let them sit for a second. Let them get that little char on them. Ooh, it's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna be good. All right, so the onions are cooking away there. While they're cooking, I like to throw a little bit of salt on them. Bring out a little bit more of the moisture in them. And a tad bit of pepper. Season your vegetables, guys. Makes a lot of difference in your cooking. Stir that up a little bit. Alright, we're going to let those cook and get a little bit more translucent. And we're going to flip on over to our hot dogs and flip them over to the other side. So we're going to take the hot dogs and we're just going to flip them over to the other side. You can see how they start to open up a little bit. Gonna turn them over here. Some of them are stubborn, they don't like to turn over. It's alright, they're gonna turn over for me today. Alright. Look how they're opening up there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna go in with our baked beans now. Onions are starting to become a little bit clearer. Oh, come on out of there. There we go. Alright, so we're going to stir up the onions and the baked beans a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and add in it's about a half a cup of brown sugar. About 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And just a hint of ketchup, not much. Alright, and in the meantime, while you're doing all this, make sure you got your oven preheated to 350. Now, you're more than welcome to cook all this on the stovetop. That's the way my mom did it. It works great. I like to put them in the oven so my beans get a little bit of crust on top. Get a little hardness there, and they'll be so tender. Ooh! Alright, so we got that mixed up. I'm going to give it a tad bit of taste. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, the flavor's there. It's not done, but the flavor's there. Alright, so let's cut up these dogs. Ah, look at those, the hot dogs, how they opened up. Beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these in small pieces. Just like that. Straight from the griddle. Alright, we're going to stir this up just a little bit. Get all those hot dogs mixed in there. And the reason why I chose this pan to cook it in is because I can pop the whole thing right in the oven. Alright. So from now, we're going to pop this in the 350 oven for about 20 minutes. Oh, it's going to be the best thing I've had in a long time. Oh man, look at this, guys. I just took it out of the oven. Woo, look at this. It smells so good. Oh my God. You can see how it's kind of, you know, it's got that casserole feel now. I'm going to take it and sprinkle a little parsley on top. Just to make it look good, you know what I'm saying. Oh my God, that looks good. I can't wait to dig in. Frank and beans, beans and weenies, hot dog and beans, it don't matter what you call it, it still looks good. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm going to plate this up and I'm going to get a bite. Beans and Franks, Frank and beans, hot dog and beans, beans and weenies. It doesn't matter what you call it, I'm going to get that bite, guys. Oh, it smells so good. Man, that takes me back home when I was 10 years old. Mom made this. Oh my God, this is good. You gotta try it, man. This takes me back. I hope it takes you guys back too. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.